What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you another riser trick. We're going to use a noise. We're going to use a bright white noise. Bring the volume up. It's just a white noise, doesn't do much except be noisy. So what we'll do is we'll go to our effects, we'll activate the filter first. Bring the filter first in the chain. We'll select high pass 12. So we want that. Alright, we're going to add in a phaser. Turn the rate down so the rate's not moving at all. And we'll move the depth up and down and play with it and see what we can come up with. There we go. So we'll move LFO, we'll map LFO to feed, and we'll bring this down to trigger to 4 bars. So now, right, we have something interesting there. Right, and there you have it. That's a simple kind of white noise phaser sweep. We'll call it that. Take care and have a good one.